Using a traditional dog collar that wraps around a dog's neck may seem like the most common way to control and walk your pet. However, what many pet owners don't realize is that collars designed only to go around the neck can cause serious health issues. These problems are often overlooked until they become severe, affecting not only a dog's neck but also their respiratory and muscular systems. Let's take a closer look at the risks associated with these collars and the potential damage they can cause to your dog's esophagus and overall well-being. One of the most delicate structures in a dog's neck is the esophagus, the tube that carries food and liquids from the mouth to the stomach. When a dog pulls against a collar, or if an owner applies force by pulling the leash attached to a neck collar, it can compress the esophagus. Over time, this pressure can lead to esophageal trauma, abrasions and bruising in the esophagus caused by excessive pressure. Difficulty swallowing. Dogs may begin to have issues swallowing food or water due to chronic damage to the esophagus. Esophageal collapse. In severe cases, chronic pressure can cause partial collapse of the esophagus, making it difficult for the dog to eat or breathe properly. The trachea, or windpipe, is another vital structure that can be seriously damaged by neck collars. Repeated pressure from a collar, especially during pulling or sudden jerking, can lead to tracheal collapse. This is a condition where the cartilage rings of the trachea weaken, leading to difficulty in breathing. Symptoms of tracheal collapse include a persistent honking cough, wheezing or labored breathing, especially during exercise or excitement, gagging or retching. Dogs with collapsed tracheas may need surgery or long-term management to ensure they can breathe properly, a condition that could be avoided with proper collar usage. A dog's neck contains numerous sensitive structures, including muscles, nerves, and the spine. Continuous strain from a neck collar, particularly if a dog pulls hard or if forceful corrections are made during training, can lead to musculoskeletal issues such as neck muscle strain, leading to pain and discomfort. You may notice your dog flinching or avoiding being touched near the neck. Nerve damage. The spinal nerves located in the cervical or neck region can be compressed or injured due to collar pressure, leading to weakness in the legs, pain, or loss of coordination. Spinal misalignment. Repeated pulling can cause misalignment of the vertebrae, contributing to long-term issues with movement and comfort. Another danger of neck collars, especially when they are too tight, is restricted blood flow to the brain. This can cause a temporary lack of oxygen to the brain, leading to dizziness, disorientation, and in some cases, fainting. Dogs that pull persistently while wearing a neck collar may also experience an increased heart rate and blood pressure, which could put additional strain on their cardiovascular system. Dogs subjected to regular pulling or jerking with neck collars may develop negative associations with walking or training. The discomfort and potential pain they experience can cause anxiety, making them more fearful or reactive. In some cases, dogs may begin to associate walks with discomfort, leading to increased stress and behavioral issues such as reluctance to walk, increased pulling or resistance due to fear of the collar, and reactivity or aggression toward perceived threats, including other dogs or people. Thankfully, there are much safer and more comfortable alternatives to traditional neck collars. These options provide better control over your dog while reducing the risk of injury. Harnesses. A well-fitted harness distributes pressure across a dog's chest and back, avoiding the sensitive areas of the neck. Front clip harnesses are particularly effective for reducing pulling during walks. A back clip harness is excellent for dogs because it offers comfort and control while reducing neck strain, making it safer for those prone to pulling. Its design prevents choking and is easy to put on, making it ideal for well-trained dogs who need gentle guidance during walks. Martingale collar. This is a type of collar that tightens slightly when the dog pulls, providing better control without choking. It's especially good for dogs with narrow heads that might slip out of regular collars. While neck collars are commonly used, they come with risks that could lead to serious health problems for your dog, from damaging the esophagus and trachea to causing nerve and muscle injuries. The consequences can be significant. By switching to a safer alternative like a harness, you can protect your dog's physical health and ensure they enjoy pain-free, stress-free walks. Choosing the right equipment is one of the simplest yet most important steps to safeguarding your dog's long-term well-being.